Meet the 2026 Honda HR-V, Honda subcompact SUV that's grown up, leveled up, and now packs even more technology, comfort, and refinement than ever before. Whether you're a first-time SUV buyer or looking to downsize without sacrificing style, the HR-V is ready to impress. Close-ups of the front grille, LED headlights, profile, and rear design. The 2026 HR-V continues Honda's clean and sophisticated design language. The front fascia is bold, with a sleeker grille and sharp LED headlamps. The new sculpted lines give it a more premium look, while the extended wheelbase adds a more athletic stance. It's still compact, but now it feels a lot more mature. And you'll see where the HR-V really shines. The interior has been completely refreshed for 2026 with higher quality materials, a minimalist layout, and more intuitive controls. You get a standard 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster on higher trims. Honda's clever packaging is on full display here. With the rear seats folded down, cargo space rivals some mid-size SUVs, perfect for road trips, IKEA runs, or weekend adventures. The 2026 HR-V carries over the 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, but with refined tuning for better throttle response and fuel efficiency. It pushes out around 160 horsepower and is paired with a CVT that's been reprogrammed for smoother acceleration. And yes, available all-wheel drive gives you added confidence in bad weather or on loose surfaces. Honda continues to lead in safety, and the 2026 HR-V is no exception. Every model comes with Honda Sensing, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and traffic sign recognition. New this year is the driver attention monitor and a 360-degree camera on select trims. The 2026 Honda HR-V proves that small doesn't mean basic. With bold design, a smart interior,